It's Cody from virtualgeeksllc.com. I own a credit repair company, and the first things I always tell my clients is I suggest them get a My Jewelers Club card. You get $5,000 unsecured revolving line of credit in your name added to your credit reports. They report on the 31st of each month to all three bureaus, so by the 8th, you should see it hit your credit reports and update. Long story short, it's $99 to join for the year. You put something in your shopping cart that's over $100, so $100 or more. You pay 50% of that $100 or more. So for as low as 150, you can get started, and you're getting a $5,000 revolving credit line added into your credit reports. So let's go over how it works. And if you have high utilization on your current reports, it will lower it. So that's really good. It'll help build and raise your scores. Easy approval, even if you have bad credit. Build good credit and look good doing it. You get immediately approval for up to $5,000 unsecured revolving credit. You never pay for shipping. To qualify, you must be a U.S. citizen, 18 years or older, have a valid social security number. Your total monthly household income must be $1,400 or more a month. So between me and you, I put 2,000. They don't really check, and I got approved for the full 5,000. So keep that in mind. You do a secured online application. Good credit, bad credit, in between credit. It's to really help you build up credit. Place a minimum of $100 in the shopping cart. Complete payment for membership fee and any down payments, sales tax. Log in there. You have to sign the e-sign document to get reported to the bureaus. Like I said, they report on the 31st of each month, but you need to sign this document. It's important once you get approved. And that's pretty much it. They do a hard inquiry through Experian, so you will get a hard pulled. Your new card will be mailed 30 to 60 days after your account is complete. I did this 5/18 of 2020. It reports. Mine's reporting as we speak. And that's pretty much it. So join now. I already picked something out. Which I picked this out because it's only 120. So if I were to go back, I go to earrings. You don't want to go crazy with it. Just remember, anything you put in there, it's $99 plus 50%. So 160 is going to be the 99 plus 50% of the 160. So it's just like a sneak peek of what they have. I already picked out these earrings over here. So what I do, 120. So that's only $60. So I add those to my cart. 120. Continue. Let me see. Join now. So yeah. So cart total 120. It's the $99 plus half of the 120. So it'd be like 160 out the door today. And I get $5,000 added in. You can't do that with a secured card. Secured cards, you have to put 50 You had to put, say, $500 secured card. You had to put the $500 up front, and guess what your limit is? $500. So for 160 out the door, I got $5,000 added into my credit for 160. And that's just basically the application you put. Oh yeah, let me go back to the top of here. Put your gender, male, female, birth date, social, first name, last name, your address, telephone number. I recommend you put your driver's license number and all that, ID number, previous address, two employers, which is your one that you worked at, or your current employer and your previous employer. Make a username, create a password, email address, and they do report. You'll get one hard pull for Experian. And check this box and hit submit. And now, I already have an account. It's just that simple. There we go. So once you get approved, you're gonna go into this screen. That's me, Cody Graska. You assign your e-documents. That's very important. So the only way they could report to the three bureaus is if you sign this document, like my loan details. So I got a 5,000 credit limit. My balance is on $72. This is my available credit, only $30 a month. If you go crazy, it's like 5%. But the idea is not to like go crazy with it. You don't want to buy stuff every time that you pay it off. You want to buy it like one item every 4 or 5, 6 months to keep it active. My payment's not due to 7/5, and I just started on 5/18 of 2020. So my product was like $144, and I paid half, and then I had to finance half, and all that good stuff. It definitely works. I recommend it. I'll show you my order. Well, I don't want to get too crazy. But yeah, $5,000 credit limit. They'll tell you if you get approved. It's like approved instantly. I had a fraud alert on my credit file, so they sent me an email. I had to call up a number, and they ask you a couple questions like, I see you had a recent loan out. Who was it from, or what was the amount? So pretty much you'll definitely get approved. I don't have a doubt about that. I got approved for 5,000. All my customers that I recommend that did it, they got the 5,000. Definitely help build credit. Could only use it here at the My Troopers Club. Stay tuned for more videos. There's actually another company called New Coast Direct. That's another company that's set up basically the same, and they also add $5,000. Very similar. I think theirs is $95 a year, and you have to put something $100 or more, and it's 50% down. So between the two, that's $10,000 of unsecured revolving credit added in to your credit reports. All right, until next time, take care.